Hi friends, this is a story about silly turkeys called 10 Fat Turkeys. Gobble gobble, wobble waddle, do a doodle dance. 10 fat turkeys fooling on a fence. Looky, said silly turkey, swinging from a vine. Gobble gobble, wibble wobble, whoops. Now there are 9. Looky, squawked the goofy turkey, trying to roller skate. Gobble gobble, wibble wobble, oops. Now there are 8. Looky, calls a floofy turkey, flapping the blue heaven. Gobble gobble, wibble wobble, oopsie. Now there are 7. Looky, cried another turkey, balancing some bricks. Gobble gobble, wibble wobble, uh-oh. There are 6. Looky, hooted the brother turkey, swanning as a swan dive. Gobble gobble, wibble wobble. Oh no, now there are 5. Looky, whoops, another turkey strutting on a boar. Gobble gobble, wibble waddle. Oh dear, now there are 4. Looky, hollers out a turkey swallowing a bee. Gobble gobble, wibble wobble. Mercy, there are 3. Looky, howls a goony turkey whistling in a shoe. Gobble gobble, wibble wobble. Uh-oh, there are what do you think? There are 2. Looky, shouts a loony turkey, blowing bubble gum. Gobble gobble, wibble wobble, popple. Now there's 1. Looky, yelled the plumpest turkey, jumping up and down. Gobble gobble, wibble wobble. That's all. There are none. Another name for none is 0. Gobble gobble, wibble wobble, do a noodle dance. No more turkeys, crash, bing. No more fence. Just a minute. What is this? Bibble babble, jibble, jibble jabble. Look at me. 10 fat turkeys fooling on a tree. The end. Isn't that a silly song and a story about a turkey? Bye, friends.